Yay, Chuck E. Cheese's. I can't wait to celebrate my half-birthday there.
But Daisy and Emily and I don't want to go to Chuck E. Cheese's. We always go there too much. We three want to go to Peter Piper Pizza.
Daisy, Emily, and Lily, it's Caillou's half-birthday, and he said that he wanted to go to Chuck E. Cheese's. So you better behave in there.
Mom, we said that we want to go to Peter Piper Pizza. Chuck E. Cheese's is bullcrap, and it sucks as hell.
Emily, do you want me to turn you from Emily Candy to regular Emily?
No.
Then you better watch what you say.
Anyways, let's go into the Chuck E. Cheese's restaurant and have a happy half-birthday for Caillou.
No. Me, Emily, and Lily said that we don't want to celebrate at Chuck E. Cheese's. And that is the end of it. So take us to Peter Piper Pizza right freaking now.
You guys better stop this attitude right now. If you don't, you three will be grounded for a very long time. So do we make ourselves clear?
Yes, Mom.
That's what I like to hear. Now let's go inside that restaurant.
Hello, and welcome to Chuck E. Cheese's. What would you like to order?
We would like to order a large pepperoni pizza and a birthday cake because it's our son Caillou's birthday.
Okay. Your total will be $25.
Alright, now that we got our pizza and Caillou's birthday cake, it's time to dig in. And before we dig in, is there anything you guys want to say?
Actually, yes, we do. In fact, Emily and Lily and I would like to say something.
Okay, what is it? Daisy and Emily and Lily.
We don't want to eat pizza and cake here, because it's Chuck E. Cheese's. And we don't want to celebrate Caillou's birthday at this trashy place. So take us to Peter Piper Pizza right freaking now.
Sit your stupid butts right back down and stop shouting right this instant, you naughty girls.
Screw this. That's it, we are going to destroy this stupid trashy place.
Oh no.
I got to get out of here before something bad happens.
Daisy, Emily, Lily, you three are no good for nothing. You just destroyed Chuck E. Cheese's on Caillou's half-birthday and made him cry. Who do you guys think you are? Well, you three are acting like psychopaths. We can't believe you did all of this chaos.
That's it. You three are super duper hyper ultra mega extremely insane grounded. Grounded for 999 billion trillion quadrillion years. We are going home right now, and you three will get absolutely nothing at all.
Stop crying, Daisy and Emily and Lily. This is all your own faults. Stop crying like babies. We told you that if you misbehave or destroy Chuck E. Cheese's, you three will be grounded for a very long time and get absolutely nothing at all.
But Mom, Dad, Rosie, Caillou, and Cody, we three didn't want to celebrate at Chuck E. Cheese's due to the fact that we always get grounded all the time. We just wanted to celebrate at Peter Piper Pizza, but you didn't take us there.
First of all, we know that you three didn't want to go to Chuck E. Cheese's. Second, the reason why we went to that place is because your brother Caillou wanted to go there. And third of all, the reason why we always ground you is because you three are fake kids.
But why do you always hate us due to the fact that we are fake Anderson kids?
Well, it's because adding fake Andersons to this family causes this to become worse by ripping off the Loud family from the Loud House show.
Your father is right. Also, you three should be ashamed of yourselves for what you did to your own brother on his half-birthday. You could have just settled with celebrating at Chuck E. Cheese's. But no, you destroyed the entire Chuck E. Cheese's.
And let's not forget to say that you also destroyed Caillou's half-birthday and made him cry for what you did.
We understand what we did. And we are really sorry.
Your apologies will never ever be accepted this time around. In fact, blowing up the Chuck E. Cheese's restaurant with the bomb was the worst thing you guys have ever done in your lives.
Can we at least go back to the Chuck E. Cheese's restaurant? We promise that we won't do anything bad.
No. How can we go back to Chuck E. Cheese's if you guys destroyed it? Besides, there are police cars and fire trucks at this place. And because of what you did, you are banned from Peter Piper Pizza because we can't deal with you misbehaving for tiny things. When we get home, we are watching the news. And if we get charged to pay huge amounts of bills, then you will get a huge punishment day.
Oh yes. Just as we expected,